Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install GRV tool application on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, GRV is an open source tool to display Git repository and Linux terminal. This tool provides screen to view reference branches and difference in separate tab. In order to filter reference and commits, you can use query language. Before you have to install the application, we need to install the SEMA package using the following command. Then hit enter. The CMake package is installing now. The CMake installation is complete now. Now we have to install a Git package using the following command, because we need to cloning a GRV package from a GitHub repository. Then hit enter. The Git package is installing now. The Git installation is complete now. Now we can cloning a GRV package from a GitHub repository using the following URL. Then hit enter. The package is cloning now. The cloning is complete now. Now we can list out the files, and then here we can see the GRV directory. Now we have to switch into the GRV directory, and then here we have to download a GRV executable file using the wget command. Using the following URL. Then hit enter. The file is downloading now. The downloading has been completed now. Now we can list out the files, and then here we can see the GRV file. Now we have to set the execution mode for a GRV file using the following command. Then hit enter. After making the executable mode, we can run the execution file as follow. Then hit enter. The GRV tool is open now. This is an interface to using a GRV tool, and then here we can see the major using components, and then here we can see the branches, remote branches, tags, and so on. And then here we can see the how to intermediate with the GRV tool. If you want to know the more information about handle the GRV tool, please refer the official document for a GRV tool. This is a way to install a GRV tool on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.